So, friends, we have learned a lot of new things about numbers, right? From 1 to 9, we have learned many new facts, right? It was very interesting to learn new facts, and at the same time, we have practiced a lot of questions on it. We enjoyed a lot, right? Now, I'm going to teach you a very, very different thing. Have you ever heard of the word zero? Have you ever seen this number? What is this? It is called as zero, right? It is called as zero. What do you mean by zero? Zero means nothing. When nothing is there, we call that as zero. Okay? And how will you write zero? You have to just draw a circle, right? Start from here and end it here. You have to just draw a circle, right? Now, for this particular concept, we will sing one rhymes and then I will tell you more about zero. Shall we begin? So now I am going to recite a rhymes for you and you need to repeat it along with me. Okay? 3 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick up one, put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. There are 2 left. So what did we understand? That on the floor there were 3 bits of paper which was lying. And when you take one paper from it and throw it in the bin, how many papers were left there? There were 2 papers left. Right? 2 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick up one, put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. One is left. Now you have 2 bits of paper lying on the floor. And I pick up one of the papers and I put it in the dustbin. So how many papers can you find on the floor now? There will be only 1 bit remaining. Right? 1 bit of paper lying on the floor. Pick it up, put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. There is no paper left. So what did you notice? Now the one paper which was there on the floor, I took that paper and I have put it in the dustbin. So is there any bits of paper lying on the floor now? No. So nothing is there on the floor. So what do you call as nothing? Nothing is nothing but zero, which means there was 0 paper lying on the floor. Shall we repeat this rhymes once again? Fine. 3 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick up one, put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. 2 are left. 2 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick up one, put it in the bin. Look at the floor. 1 is left now. 1 bit of paper lying on the floor. Pick it up, put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. There is no paper. So what do you call as zero? Zero is said as, I am the hero. My name is Zero. Okay. So now let us understand this concept with a few examples. Okay. I am going to draw a picture on the board and now we are going to understand what is called as zero. So shall we begin? Okay, fine. Now see here, I have got a big tree. Okay. And in that tree, I have got some apples lying. Do you like apples? Yes. Apples are so very yummy to eat, right? And what is the color of apples? They are red in color, right? So, I have few apples which is there on the tree. Now, what happens is, one day, one small boy, he comes to the tree and he wants to have these apples. So, one apple he plucks from the tree. So, what happens? Now, from the 4 apples, he has got 1 apple with him. So, how many apples are there on the tree? 1, 2 and 3. So, what is the balance? There are 3 apples left with the tree. There are 3 apples which is on the tree. Now this boy comes again and he tells that I want to eat one more apple. These apples are so yummy and tasty. So what he does, he plucks one more apple from this tree and he eats it. Now how many apples are there on this tree? There are only 2 balance, 1 and 2. So earlier it was 4, then the boy ate 1, it became 3. Now the boy ate one more, it became 2. The third day, this boy comes again and he says that I want to eat the apple again. And he plucks one more apple from this tree. Right? So how many apples are remaining on the tree now? Very good. There is only 1 apple which is remaining on the tree. Right? So now this boy goes home back and then on the next day he comes again near the tree and he tells the tree that I want to eat the apple again. And he plucks the last apple which is there on the tree. Now how many apples are there on the tree? There are no apples, right? So how many apples are there on this tree? How many apples can you find here? There are no apples or there are 0 apples on the tree. So whenever there is nothing found somewhere, that is called as 0.